Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if my AI is not visible on our Snapchat account. Let's get started. Firstly, what we need to do is to go to our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. So just like for example, we're going to type in here Snapchat, and we need to make sure that the one that is reflected on our screen is open. So that means that our account is updated. But if in case that the one that is reflected here is update, that only means that we need to update our account so that all the features of the Snapchat will be updated as well. So with that, since we do have an updated account, we can go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. So once we are here, in order for us to see if we do have My AI, we're going to click the message icon. So if you notice on our screen right now, we now have My AI feature on our account. So basically, we just need to update our account in order for us to make sure that My AI feature will be available on our account. But if in case that we already updated our account, but My AI is not yet visible, what we are going to do then is to click our avatar or our profile icon. And right after that, we're going to click the gear icon so that we will be routed on settings. And on settings, we're just going to scroll down and we are going to click here, I have a suggestion. So what we are going to do then is to click settings. And right after that, we're going to click choose topic. And we are going to click accessibility. So by this time, we are going to have our suggestion. So just like for example, we have here, I don't have an access on Snapchat My AI. Please help me in resolving the problem. Thank you. So with that, we're just going to have an attachment if we have. So basically a screenshot that shows that we don't have My AI on our account. So right after that, we can go ahead and click submit. So basically those are the different steps in order for us to resolve if My AI is not visible on our Snapchat account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.